Hey, it's Megan with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum. Today we're going to be talking about the Embellish Maker Software program by Hope Yoder. The Embellish Maker is a fantastic embroidery software, which is very, very easy to use. She made it a little bit pink, so a lot of people like that. And it's really easy to organize, so you don't get overwhelmed with everything that you're doing. She's also added some cool features, including an auto chenille button, an auto rickrack button, and a lot of other things like that, where most programs don't have those buttons. You have to do it manually. It is a really cool program. I'm going to show you more about it. When you first open up the Embellish Maker program, it does open us up to this screen here, where it tells us about the RNK Software Club. The RNK Software Club is great because it has your manuals, tutorials, and all sorts of things on there. So if you're trying to figure out how to do a specific thing, you can pull it up there, find it, and be on your merry way to get going. On the bottom here, it also has create a new design, open a recently used design that you were working on, tells you what's new with the software program, and where you can ask for help. So for now, we're going to open a new design. And here we are. I've got my workspace open. On the side here, I love this because you can actually kind of organize the program, and I can decide to open up specific things, like if I want to create something, if I want to add text, if I want to transform something. I can just open up the tabs that I am worried about or the ones that I actually want to use right now. Some software programs have all of these unfurled at the same time, which I can do up here. And although it's nice and easy with easy to read icons that I can float over and it gives me the description of what everything is, it still gets really overwhelming. So I can tell everything, okay, go back down. I just want to open up the things that I like. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and create an image. So here we've got auto artwork, auto digitizing, auto 3D fabric texture tool. So Embellish is really great at giving you different textures and things like that. But for now, we're going to go basic and just digitize some clip art. So I'm going to go ahead and go in here and find something fun. Let's see. Let's do something like this flower here. And hit next, hit next. So what's nice is you can kind of go through the whole thing and go nuts. However, I do want to edit the image a little bit because the inside of the flower and the outside are all going to be the same color. So I want to change the outside to a different color so I can stitch the inside of the flower or something, but have the outside of the flower be something different. So then from there I can go save, get out of that, and there it is on my program here. If I go next, now I can tell it to either, yes, I want that whole background to be green, or no, I don't want the green in there at all. Hit next, hit finish. And in 3, 2, 1, just about, we're going to have our whole design right here. So you can see it's already automatically turned it into stitches. What is cool too on the Embellish software is that I can pick a specific part of the design, like I did the inside of the white right here. And down here I've got my color palette, which is nice. And I can actually pick a different color for all of that to be if I want. So if I do that, now you can see the inside of my flower is no longer white. And if I click over here, it literally goes through a whole arrayment of different colors that I can choose. So if I want to do purple, I can click that and turn it purple instead. Maybe I do something a little more obvious. Maybe we do a gray. There we go. And you can really change it. You can also change what type of thread it is, which is really nice because a lot of people like to use like the Floriani thread or Madeira or Isacord. You can actually tell the program which type of thread you're using, which makes it way easier when you're trying to line up your colors. Now, alongside of this, if I want, I can also kind of convert my design into different things. So, since I've got the middle selected here, I can actually tell it I want it to turn into something completely different. And I think what I want to do for now, let me find the one, is turn it into applique. So if you look, The inside of the flower is now turned into applique. There's no stitching here. It just has the zigzag line there. So what I can then do, if I really wanted to go crazy, is I could pick on the pink right there, hit delete, and get rid of that. And then I can pick the delete on each of the insides of these guys. I'm just pressing my delete button on my keyboard. And there we go. I have a fully applique design from from just a piece of clip art from earlier. When I'm happy with that design, from here what I can do is I can go File, Save As, save it where I want to find it, and then from there I can stick it on a USB drive, put it in my machine, and I'm ready to go. So it really takes no time to learn, no time to get it digitized, and it really is just a fun program. I highly suggest asking if you can come and check it out at one of our Rocky Mountain stores. We would love to show you. And of course, if you have questions, always feel free to give us a shout, either give us a comment or give us a call at the stores, and we'd be happy to answer them. Thank you for joining me.